Luxury day yachting, the freedom of embracing the unknown, family fun, adventure, memories of past boating fun. Today we're on the Azimut 42 Verve. Do yourself a favor, come see this boat. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. Welcome aboard. I wanted to talk quickly about the Mercury V10 Verado engines. These are the 400s, naturally aspirated engines. This boat is spec'd with the triple setup. Let's talk about the high-end battling fabric that Azimut uses. It's worked a lot better than the vinyl on these boats. We've got a high-low table, awning, television here in the cockpit. We've got a barbecue station, refrigeration, ice maker. This Verve is set up for your family to just have a wonderful time. You can imagine being here grilling some burgers. The side of the boat goes down, so the kids are jumping off the side. You've got some music playing. Maybe you're watching the NFL game on your TV. Just having a great time. Let's walk up forward, take a look at the bow area. We're going to go through a number of the different areas on this boat today. Real quickly, I will mention that Azimut has their logo imprinted up here on the ceiling of this beautiful boat. As we're walking forward, take note of this handrail that is up here for the safety of your family. We're going to talk quickly also about the cushioning systems up here. You've got a high-low system here, so it's comfortable for people to lay out. Beautiful seating on a 42-foot center console. The seating area up here is unbelievable. Let's take a look quickly at your refrigeration system that you have in here. You've got your anchoring controls up here. You've got storage underneath all these seats. Check out the speakers. Everybody's having a great time on this boat. We're going to walk back quickly to the helm station, and I want to point out some really cool features. You've got triple carbon fiber seating here. Sunroof, all your displays here. This has the Ray Marine setup. You've got your joystick control. This boat has a bow thruster on it also, so super easy to maneuver. You got the controls for your throttles. You got the Humphrey system here, which is for your trim on the boat, and you've got your dual Ray Marine chart plotters. So let's go down below real quick. I'm just going to point out some interesting features. In this cabin here, you've got your keys for your ignition. You've got air conditioning controls. Underneath of it, you've got your systems for your battery switches. You've got all of your breakers are in here, and you've actually got an emergency system in here as well, which we can go over that when you come see the boat. Got storage in here, more storage here. You've got a convection microwave oven underneath here, more storage. You got a one burner Kenyon grill top here. And I want you to come down and I want to show you that this is a high-low table that'll convert down either to a lounge area if you're watching the TV behind the mirrored system, or it actually can convert into a bunk with a system here that'll pull down and give you the privacy on this boat. But the beauty of this 42 Verve is this contemporary bathroom. You've got a separate shower stall in here. You've got the vacuum flush system on the boat, beautiful sink, and then you've got a whole nother cabin back here for guests to enjoy as well. On the Azimut 42 Verve, you've got an overall length of 42 feet 4 inches, a beam of 12 feet 11 inches, a draft of 3 feet 11 inches. You've got 462 gallons of fuel. You've got a seakeeper. The boat has everything for a fast, fun, adventurous day out on the water. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. I look forward to seeing you out on the water.